guys, it's been quite a while since I vlogged because this is bad weather.
Yep, that's what I was gonna say.
So, well, my son's gonna be with me today. There you go. Say hi.
Hi, I'm a panda.
So, we are going now. It's really hard and tough to work on a car when you have this type of weather, especially here in Washington. I'm on a hunt to go buy impact wrench. I need that new tool. I found a place that actually has it. Since they're kind of sold out everywhere, you can actually buy them online, but I can't wait. I need to get it now. It's about 20 minutes away from here, so let's get going. All right, guys, let's go.
Let's go!
We're almost there. But we just gotta beat this traffic here.
It's a big traffic.
It is, and it's raining. Yep.
Water.
Not a good start, but we'll get there real soon. So we are finally here, and Radu is definitely tired from the ride. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get in there.
Let's go find the things that we need to find.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I pressed the red button.
All right, let's go.
This way.
This is the one. But yeah, so this is the tool that I'm needing to get. They're always sold out. They're all sold out. And look at the freaking price on this. It's like hella cheap. So it's way cheaper than getting to other places. So very random, but yeah, super cool. I can't wait. So anyways, that's it for today. And we're gonna go ahead and just grab this. What are you doing, buddy? Now we're officially broke. It's been a long time coming, and I'm so glad that it's nice and sunny. Got some sun coming out now, starting out early today, getting things done. Hopefully it is the weekend, and so I'm happy with the timing too as well. For today, got a lot of things to do. I got a lot of things to prepare for you guys. I will be focusing on my suspensions, and I'll go ahead and set that up real quick. I'll be right with you guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I choose to budget on the suspension. I will be using the stock OEM suspension, but just made it simple and clean. This could be something temporary for the meantime. I would rather focus on getting the chassis in and out in a solid shape and getting the car painted in a restoration manner. Basically, I'm going to be starting to put some zinc coating, and I'm going to be using the galvanized right here. This is just temporary for now, so it doesn't get rust or any moisture on these bolts. So I think it's better for me to just go ahead and galvanize it. I will be learning the process of how to zinc these bolts as well to make them look OEM brand new. So, but for now, this will be good. So we are getting ready to install the rear suspensions. So I think they're pretty much ready to go. Everything is galvanized. Bolts are looking great. And let's go ahead and install these bad boys. got the sway bar already installed, looking fresh, nicely done. You don't want to put them tight yet, but right now it's kind of snug because of the bushings here, but you can definitely like move them, see how it goes. So you have that, like it's loose enough for you to just line up the rear control arms. You have to make sure this is loose enough so you have a play to connect the sway link. Okay guys, so we have all the arms here for the passenger side and we are ready to go. And make sure you guys have this one of those bungees right here. This one will help you guys a lot, especially putting the rear lower control arm to as well. So this will help you out a lot. So let's go ahead and get started with installing this one first. They are basically synchronized with the bolts, so we are going this way. So the nuts will go from this side, same side. So let's go ahead and get that started. Now we're going to install their stabilizer link right here. That's 14 right here. Now, the last thing you gotta do is the rear upper link control arm, or it's the rear traction control arm. So this one goes exactly like right over here. Guys, update, so pretty much everything is done. Bottom side, you can see everything is on. Now I just gotta put the hubs. I have to tie them up too as well to the right specs and torque. The stop shocks are actually looking good on this. It looks great. Let me know what you guys think. I really like how it turned out so far.